Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday, dear Bobby.
Dear
Grandma. Happy birthday
to you. Atticus, you want to tell Grandpa what's on the picture you made him?
There's me and Daddy and Mommy and Sebastian, and Mommy's holding Sebastian and Augie. Look at Augie's mohawk.
Cool. And what does the paper say?
It says happy birthday.
Cool.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Augie, do you want to sing for Grandpa and tell him happy birthday?
No.
Okay, guys, do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Say, happy birthday, old man.
Happy birthday, old man.
We'll see you later.
We'll see you later.
Augie, say bye.
Bye.
There's Sebastian.
Oh, baby.
Sebastian, can you wave bye-bye? Wave.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can I hold him?
Yeah.